Hey, I'm Tom from Powerin, the AI tools that grow your LinkedIn and X audience naturally through automated comments. And in this video, I'll show you how to connect your X account to Powerin in under 2 minutes. So let's dive in. Once you are connected into Powerin, go to the Account tab section. Click Connect New Account, then click Install Chrome extension. You'll be redirected to the Chrome extension page. The extension is what allows Powerin to act on your behalf safely without storing your credential. Once you are here, hit Add to Chrome and confirm Add Extension. Once installed, you'll be automatically redirected back to the Connected Account tab inside Powerin. And you can see the extension have been added to Chrome. Now click Connect Account again, but this time Powerin detect the extension. You'll see the connection flow activate. Open your X tab by clicking into Connect Twitter account. And now you just have to wait a few seconds for your X account to be connected. It can take up to 10 seconds to 15 seconds. As you can see, a toast appears when your account is connected. So you can go back into Powerin, go back into the account section, and that's it. Your X account is now connected to Powerin. You'll see it with a green statue indicator. If you want to connect another X account, just repeat the same process, but first you have to connect to it into X. So go back into X, you can add your account, or if you are already connected, you just have to switch to it. So you switch to the new account you want to connect. You go back into Powerin, you click Connect New Account, Connect Twitter Account. It will open the X browser. Then you just wait 10 to 15 seconds for the toast to appear. And once the toast appears, you can do the same. You go back into Powerin, go back into the account tab, and you can see here that your new X account is successfully connected. With the new version of Powerin, there is no limit on how many accounts you can connect. Add them all and manage everything from one dashboard. That's all it takes. Install the extension once, connect as many X accounts as you need, and if you want to know how to launch your first keyword campaign, the link of the video is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.